Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kishore the Rider, Hyderabad Rider. So if you are one of my oldest subscriber, then you might have seen one of the video where I have shown a small Royalenfield bike, which is a Royalenfield scale model. So here it is. So it's been there like almost more than a year or two. So one of the kid in home actually while he was playing with it, so not sure what happened, he actually broke it into two pieces, and he was literally unable to play with it. So after looking, as you know, like I'm a bike addict, as you can say. I cannot see bike got damaged or something, so immediately I thought, let me take some time and fix it. Of course, literally I enjoyed while working on it. It almost took a lot of time, but rather taking out like putting the complete video, I put it in a hyperlapse mode, and I fixed it somehow. Like I took out the front wheel, and I have took out the engine, and this part I actually got broken, so even I fixed that too. And a little bit, like some of the parts actually came out, it was very loose and the wheel was not rotating properly. So I have done all these adjustments on this, and this is how it is now, very new. So right now the kid is not at home, see how it goes.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. When you want to get off that darkest ground, but gravity